Arabic is beautiful, poetic, deep, but also super frustrating if you're learning it for the first time. If you ever said, why Arabic so hard? You're not alone. In this video, I'll break down the 7 biggest challenges Arabic learners face and more importantly, how you can overcome each one. Let's do it. Challenge 1. The Arabic script. Confusing at first sight. Most learners freeze when they see Arabic writing for the first time. It goes from right to left. Letters change shape depending on where they are in a word. And they're all connected like a beautiful but intimidating piece of art. But once you learn the rules, it actually becomes easier than English spelling. Start slow, learn 3 or 4 letters per day. Use tracing sheets or apps. And don't forget, reading Arabic is just like solving a puzzle. You get better every time you try. Start by learning the shapes in isolation, then practice them in context. Challenge 2. Pronunciation, unpronounceable. Then comes the sounds qa and gha or a. I call them mouth yoga. These are sounds English does not have, so your tongue needs new training. Don't worry at all. You don't need to sound perfect on day 1. Just like singing or working out, your mouth muscles needs repetition. Watch native videos, record yourself, and get a feedback. You'll be surprised how fast your accent improves when you train the right way. Listen and imitate native speakers. Record yourself and compare. Don't be afraid to exaggerate the sound at first. It helps. Challenge 3. Diaglossia, MSA and dialects. Which Arabic are you learning? Here is a major headache for learners. You learn modern standard Arabic, but then you go to Egypt and hear إزيك عامل إيه? And then you think, what just happened? MSA is for books, news, Quran, but dialects like Egyptian, Levantine, Gulf are what people actually speak. You need both, but start with MSA for structure and pick one dialect to focus on for daily conversations. Start with MSA for structure, then choose one dialect based on your goal, travel, work, or media. Egyptian is a great choice. Challenge 4. Arabic grammar. Deep water. Arabic grammar is deep, like really deep. Masculine and feminine, dual forms, case endings, broken plurals. It can feel like swimming in the ocean without a life jacket. But here is the secret. You don't need to master old grammar to speak well. Focus on sentences, patterns, useful verbs, and gender agreement first. Grammar will start to make sense as you use it in real life. Don't try to learn everything at once. Focus on high frequency verbs and simple sentence structures. Use stories and conversations to see grammar in action. Challenge 5. Rich vocabulary. You learn a word and then find 7 other words that mean the same thing. Arabic has an incredibly rich vocabulary thanks to its root system and poetic culture. Don't try to learn random words. Just group them by topic. Food, travel, emotions, greetings. And use flashcards or space repetition apps to make it stick. Most importantly, use them in sentences. That's how you own the word. Group vocabulary by topic. Use space repetition apps like Anki or Quizlet. And always review in context, not just lists. Challenge 6. Reading without vowels. One day, you proudly read a sentence with short vowels. And then suddenly, the vowels are gone. Welcome to the world of reading Arabic without harakat or vowels. This takes practice. Even native kids struggle with it at first. Start by reading vowel texts like children's story or the Quran. Eventually, your brain will learn to guess the missing vowels from the context. Don't panic. This is really normal. Practice reading fully vowel texts first, like children's books or the Quran. Then move to native materials and rely on context clues. Challenge 7. Cultural expressions beyond textbooks. Last but not least, expressions. You learn how are you, كيف حالك. Then you hear ازيك, عامل ايه, شو أخبارك. Arabic is packed with idioms, cultural phrases, and poetic ways of speaking. Textbooks won't always teach them. Watch Arabic shows, listen to native speakers, and repeat what they say. That's how you move from learner to speaker. Watch Arabic TV shows, follow Arabic creators, and mimic real conversations. This helps you think in Arabic, not just translate. Arabic has its challenges, but it also has rewards like no other language. Every new word, every new sound is a step closer to understanding an ancient and living world. Which of these challenges are you facing right now? Comment below. I will reply to every question. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a fellow Arabic learner.